Welcome back to another new plant shopping video. So literally outside they have so many really cool houseplants, but first I want to show you guys what they have in here inside. As y'all see, they have some really beautiful orchids. Here are some pots in discount. But I don't know where to start. I mean, I guess por acá they have these really fun green. Oh, okay, so yesterday I was here and there was like 3 of these and there was only 1 left. It's a limonite philodendron, literally beautiful, and it's for $12.98. That is such a good deal. Urban jungle, fun. They have this one. It's called a Pincushion Pepperoni, also for $12.98. So pretty. Some crotons, dracaenas, some funchifloras, rubber plants. I'm sorry. Wait, is it a rubber plant or it's a pepperonia? But so pretty. Love the pots. Nice fun golden pothos. And in the bottom they have some bigger plants. Sorry about the lighting, it's like late at night. And for some reason it's really dark por acá. But we're gonna do our best. They have these beautiful, I think it's called strawberry Syngonium or pink Syngonium. I don't even know. I've seen so many different names of it, but it's for $24.98. I've never seen this pot before and it's gorgeous. Literally beautiful. You have this one, the one over here as well. They have some dracaenas or dracaenas. Really beautiful. And then they have the Chinese money plant, aka UFO plant. Really good. $24.98. It's beautiful. Oh, sorry. And then I'm not gonna go with our common plants because we always see them and there's just so much to look at. But here is a quick little overview of what they have. Beautiful orchids in bloom. By the way, this is really cool plant that I saw. And they posted it on Instagram. Everybody's telling me, I think it's called the Jessina, something like that. But let me show you the variegation. I took one yesterday, but isn't that beautiful? Like, so different. And then there's a Pothos. Ugh, the lighting is so bad. It's beautiful though, for $20. They have a lot of Bonnie spider plants as well. Looking super fun and lush. Here are the small pots. And to be honest, we might go outside because, like I said, you can barely see anything. African violets in the bottom. They have some really fun Scindapsus. Look at that. So pretty. Here's another Scindapsus right there. Dracaenas, golden pothos. We have some massive, I think it's called philodendron or split leaf. And they're for $15.98. It's a pretty good deal. They have some bird's nest fern. Oh my god, bird of paradise for $30. Little pricey. I always look for like some sort of variegation or sport variegation because those are really fun to like find. As of now, I had no luck, but still looking. They got some raindrop peperonias, bromeliads, some shingles, all with the white pasta for $20, by the way, and lots of petunias. Okay, let's go outside because they have some cool plants. Yeah. Okay. As y'all already see, beautiful Caleta medallions. Where is it? Medallion? Oh, Caleta Dottie. $20. So pretty. Some fun anthuriums. $12.98. Red and white. Oh my god. These were hiding blue. Polka dot begonias. Yeah. Look at that new leaf. Some palms. Dieffenbachias. Peace lilies. A lot of roses. Oh, these are massive. Pretty big. Look at this massive spider plant. It's so huge. This one's different, Verdadabo? Like the one you have?
Yeah, it's the more different.
It's more green. Some Chinese evergreens, more calatheas, some global greens.
You're gonna take this one?
When's it?
You're gonna take this one?
No, baby. You're gonna hang it?
Yeah.
There's so many over there. Look at, they're so big.
Look at that carnivorous plants.
Carnivorous plants.
Yes.
Love that. These are really pretty. Scindapsus right there. More Scindapsus over here. Some small pots. This is a really pretty begonia. $7. Petunias. Rabbit's foot fern. Golden pothos, some ivies. These are huge. Oh my god. Really pretty dracaenas, hydrantinas. Some fiddles. There's some really pretty succulents and aloes. Kind of cute. So cool. at that aloha. That one. Mira este. Looks so cool.
Cool.
Love it.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
It was pretty cool. Look at a baby.
It's a mystery.
Yeah.
That's basically it.